plays we. He plays football. She plays football.
It plays football.
He, she, it, and s.
He, she, it, and s.
I eat rice.
You eat rice.
He eats rice.
She eats rice. He, she, it, and s. She practice part. He play football.
He plays football.
She eats rice.
She eats rice.
I, you, we, they, know, s. He, she, it, and s. Simple present is easy.